My name is Dr. Neeraj. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing the Python series and today we're going to learn about basic expressions in Python. So when I'm talking about basic expressions, it means that we're talking about arithmetic expressions and comparison expressions. So as you can see over here, we have arithmetic expressions like if the variable x is 5 and variable y is 2, we can do some arithmetic expressions like plus, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication. Like if I say print x plus y, that is it will come 5 plus 2 is 7. And then if I say x minus y, it will come as 3, and then x into y is 10. So I have one exercise over here, the same thing. It is again a Google Colab notebook, and we have already done the same thing. Like for example, in our PPT it was x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So I want to do x plus y, so what will come? Let me run this. Let me clear everything first and then run this particular cell. So now you can see that, okay, x plus y, okay, output has not come. So now you can see the output has come. X plus y is 5 plus 2 is 7 over here. Then 3, then 10 as I have discussed. Then division. Now what is this division? X divided by y. So 5 divided by 2. It is coming as 2.5. It is a division. So other thing is modulus of the remainder x modulus y. So what is the remainder of 5 divided by 2? So you can see that it is 1. The remainder is 1. And then this x star star y or x exponential y, that means 5 to the power of 2. So the answer is 25. You can see this here. And the last is 5 slash slash y, that is the quotient. So 5 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 4, 2 to the 4, so 2 is the quotient. So these are the expressions we can do. These are arithmetic expressions you can do. It will follow the BODMAS rule. It is like a super calculator. Python is also a super calculator. It can do anything you want. So when we are for doing some calculations, arithmetic calculations, this knowledge is important for us. And now we'll see the comparison expression. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. So is whenever it is coming like this, we have to substitute. Is 5 greater than 3? Yes. So answer is what? Let us run this. Is x 5 greater than 3? The answer is true. Is 5 less than 3? The answer is false. Is 5 equal to 3? The answer is false. Print. If 5 not equal, exclamation means not. If 5 not equal to y, the answer is true. So these are some of the comparison expressions. When you can use these, when you're using some loops, we have to check some condition. We need this information that time. So this is all about expressions when I'm talking about basic expressions. And now I will go further to the other part of expressions which are called membership expressions. So that is exercise number 4, and we will talk about logical expressions and membership expressions. So what do you mean by logical expressions? That means logic means when we are talking about in terms of true and false, and if condition x and condition y is true, you know, we are talking about this. If x and y is true, but x and y is not true, one is true, one is false, so the answer will come as false. When we are talking about and, when we are talking and means the condition 1 and the condition 2 should be correct. If they are not correct, the answer will be false. If both are correct, the answer will be true. Second operator, logical operator is or. Condition x or condition y is true or true. Yeah, if condition x or condition y is true. But it is not like that. X is true and y is false. If or is there and two conditions are different, the truth will prevail. So it will be true. X or y, whatever is true. If true is there and this one condition has been successful, that answer will come. That means true or false, both are there. One is condition is true, another condition is false. The answer will be the condition that X is true. So it will prevail, true will come. If we say print not X, exclamation I told you before. If it is saying not X, that means not true. The answer will be false. So the basic understanding of this is that if there is and, if both are true, it will be true. If anyone is false, the answer will come as false. When or, if both are true or both are false, if both are true, it will come true. If both are false, it will come false. But if true and false is there, the answer will come as true. In and, if true and false is there, the answer will come as false. And when we say not x, whatever is there in x, opposite will come. X is true, opposite is false. So this is how the logical expression works in Python and most of the programs. Next is membership expression. The variable has a name Python. Name is a variable which is containing the text Python. Now print p in Python. So if you write like this, if p is there in Python, which it is there, first letter is p, the answer will come as true. Second, print z in Python. Z is not there, so the answer will come as false. So can anyone tell me that where we are using these membership expressions in real terms, where we use this membership expressions? Can you think for a moment where we can use this? We are using it every day almost. So the answer is that, like for example, in Excel, when we say Control F, we find is this particular text there in the in the document, and then that Control F finds that particular text in that particular document matches. If it true is coming, it will show the matched text. So this is what membership expressions are used like this. You want to find whether the particular piece of text is there in the overall document. If it is there, the true will come. If it is not there, false will come. So this is how we use membership expressions and logical expression. Of course, it is used for and while these conditional looping, all these control expressions in that logical expressions are very must, and we should have understanding about what will be returned, whether true will be returned or the false will be returned, depending upon the operator. Is it and or not? So this is all about today's uh, tutorial, and I'm sure that you're going to like this, and you're going to, if you want to understand further about Python because it is a series, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.